Alright, we got everything we need here to finish the head. We're going to take a little bit out in here so we get the mouth to be able to open and close properly. We've sanded it down a little. We're going to sand it down a little more. Got the back of the head. It's taken out in here so our string won't catch. We've got our ears. We have our two acrylic eyes that we're going to put in. This is going to be, we're making this one going to be a clown, so we're going to have this get attached here. We have two of these eye hooks. One's going to go back here for our string to attach to, and one will go up here to attach the spring for the mouth. We've got another one of these hooks here. We have one up here to connect our spring to. The other one will go down here, so we can put a rubber band on that onto the body to help hold that. We have a 3/4 inch block which is going to go in here. That's going to be for our hinge to attach to. We have a 1/2 inch dowel which will go back here. That's for our string to come up and over and down through the neck. We're going to use a 1-inch hinge for this. We have a 3-inch spring which will get attached to the top of the head and then the mouth. We have 24-inch piece of nylon string we're going to use. And we have a 1-inch ring which we're going to use. So we're going to take some of this out in here, then we'll drill our hole up through here for our string to attach to. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll answer you. Thanks for watching.